and welcome to my kitchen. I love making easy, healthy recipes, and today I'm going to share one with you. Today we're going to be making Lazy Girl banana muffins made completely in a blender. All you need are a few ingredients. They're gluten-free and they can be made vegan if you want. So let's get started. So this recipe is from the personal recipe book that I'm making. It's my one banana muffins, and you need about 1 cup of flour. For this, I ground up some oats to make the flour, and to the oats we're going to add a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 ripe banana, an egg, about a half a cup of unsweetened applesauce, a tablespoon of ground flaxseed, a teaspoon of vanilla. Now just blend it all up in your NutriBullet. I had to stop and shake it a few times. Next we're going to add a half a cup of oats for a little more texture and a teaspoon of chia seeds, which you actually could have blended up, but I forgot to. So I added them in later. Then we're going to bake them at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes, just until the toothpick in the middle comes out clean. And you have some delicious, healthy, sugar-free banana muffins. If you want them sweeter, you can add a 1/4 cup of sugar or brown sugar. So thanks for watching, and just comment below if you tried them and what you thought. And until next time, have a great day.